Paris. Paris, come here. Are you having trouble breathing? She's having trouble breathing, and that is the wicked abuses against us. They are using her to harm me and giving me the headache through the same situation. Somehow our soul is related because we are in the same relation or whatever it is. I am not sure. We are part of the city. We are part of the world. She's having some problem. Someone turned off the first video, and now this is the second I'm recording. She was worse than right now. She is getting better because they are erasing the videos.